In this video, we're going to look at all the different variations of slide boards that I have. Now, this isn't every variation, but you can see I have 5 different types of slide boards here. The first one here is your typical slide board, which may be used in an institution. It's a little bit thicker, but it doesn't have any handles on it. Just a piece of wood at a certain length. They do have ones that are longer than this, depending on the distance that a person has to transfer. But this is just your typical run-of-the-mill slide board. Here's another version of that same slide board. It's about the same thickness and the same dimensions, only it has a couple of handles, which make it a little bit easier to pick up and carry, a little bit easier for people to hold on to and to apply when you're using it, when the individual is using it by themselves. This third one is a same variation. I mean, it's very similar in dimensions to the first 2 slide boards. The only, one of the main differences is it's a lot thinner. So that means it's a lot lighter weight. It does have two variations for handles here that people can use when they're using it. And it also has this non-skid surface here where you're placing it on a mat table or on a bedside commode or something. This one is a plastic slide board. It has a curve to it. The idea of the curve is so that it can go around the arms of different chairs or allow placement when you don't have straight access. So it does have a handle to it, and it's made out of sturdy plastic rather than wood like these other 3. This particular slide board is a little bit more, has more bells and whistles. It actually has a disc that the person sits on, and then you're able to slide back and forth from one surface to the next. You can see that it does have the same type of curve that the orange one does. However, it's not as dramatic, and it's a little bit harder to use when you're trying to get into and out of a wheelchair or any chair that has arms on it, simply because of the added, 1 inch or so of room here. So that's 5 variations of different slide boards that people can use or people can see online and decide which one works best for you.